With this apparatus, we're going to demonstrate the formation of a cloud and some of the conditions required for cloud formation. I have a 2-liter clear plastic pop bottle. We need a pump. It can be a hand pump. This is a foot pump. It doesn't really matter. I need a rubber stopper that fits in the bottle. Now, what I've done here is cut the stopper so that it's just deep enough to allow a needle valve to go through and be able to deliver the air inside. So what I did is to actually cut part of a regular stopper off, and then I drilled a hole through it using a small electric drill, and then I pressed the needle through it so that we can then place this on top of the bottle. Now we add a small amount of water to the bottle. It doesn't really matter how much we have, 10 mils or so is really all we need. And we just shake it up well. And then we take our pump and attach that to the needle and increase the pressure. And then we release the pressure rapidly by pushing this stopper up. You'll notice that the bottle has turned a little bit cloudy when I do that. What happens is when we get a sudden pressure change, a release of pressure, it actually cools the air down inside here and causes some of the water vapor that's in the bottle to condense and form tiny droplets. We're going to repeat the experiment, but this time I'm going to put a little bit of smoke inside the container. So just squeeze it in and out a few times to get some of the smoke inside. Put the stopper back on again, put it on fairly tight, and then we pump it up. Increase the pressure, and then suddenly release the pressure again. And notice that we have a beautiful cloud in the bottle now. So why the difference? What difference did the smoke make? Well, the smoke serves as particles on which the water vapor can actually condense and form droplets. The cloud that we see inside here is actually made up of tiny water droplets. And the smoke then serves as a nucleus for the water vapor to condense on and form then the cloud. This principle is often used in trying to seed clouds. Sometimes airplanes will fly over a cloud or through a cloud and release silver iodide crystals, and these can serve as centers of nucleation to try to force the water in the cloud, the water vapor in the cloud, together with the tiny water droplets, to form larger droplets, which will then come out as rain. So, cloud formation, we get, when we pressurize it, it actually gets a little bit warm, because compressed air that generates heat. When we compress air, we generate heat. The heat dissipates because we do it fairly slowly, and when we release the pressure rapidly, there's a sudden cooling that occurs with the resulting condensation of